Hello friends. See, today is my son's birthday and we have decorated our house. Let me show you my house, how I decorate my house.
Hello.
Here is the birthday boy.
Hello.
Hello Ridhan, happy birthday my
Thank
baby.
you.
This is the decoration we have done together, me and my hubby. This is the photo frame we have made. Yeah, this is we have made ourselves at home. This is the lovely gift hamper we have made for Ridhan. All these colorful strings we have made at home. Here is the superheroes cake for him. So Ridhan, do you like the decoration?
This is the lovely decoration.